Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study the comprehension number 33, which is on page number 141. First day on the island. A family on a voyage is a shipwrecked to reach an island on a raft. William and his wife Elizabeth are with their 4 sons Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Frank. As soon as we had made the raft fast and with a strong rope, we took out all our wealth and made a tent with the old sailcloth we had brought with us. So what they did, they made the raft fast with a strong rope, and they took out all their wealth and made a tent with the old sailcloth which they had brought with them. The boys gathered with some moss and dry grass to make our beds with, and their son gathered some dry grass to make a bed for them. We soon set fire to some dry twigs with a flint and steel. My wife began to make pot of soup with what she had brought from the ship. So his wife started making a pot of soup which she had brought from a ship, and they started cooking. Fritz chose a gun and took a stroll by side of the stream, while Jack went in a search of shellfish. And he chose a gun and he started moving. He started taking around the stream, and Jack went in a search of shellfish, which he thought he might find on the rocks. I went to save 2 large casks which were near the shore. While I was up to the knees in the sea, I heard a shrill cry, which I knew to come from Jack. I got out at once, took up an axe, and ran to his help. So when he was near the sea, when the Fritz was near the sea, what happened? All of a sudden, he heard a shrill cry of Jack, and so he took his axe and he ran away to help him. I found him with his legs in the rock pool where a large crab held him by his toes. So what he found, that a large crab has held the toes of Jack. So he saw that the crab has held the toes of Jack. It soon made off as I came near, but I struck at it with the axe and brought it out of the pool. So he hit the crab with the axe and saved the Jack from the crab. Jack then took it up, though it gave him a pinch or two, ere he found out how to hold it, and ran off in a high glee to show what he had caught. So Jack took the crab and he ran in a hurry to show what he had caught. When I got back to the tent, I found that Ernest had brought us news that he had seen salt in the chinks of the rock, and that shellfish was not scarce. Now, well, my boy, if you are sure you saw them, I will ask you to go back for some. We must each do some work for good of all. So, as I told you, Ernest has found some. Ernest had brought us news that he had seen salt in the chinks of the rock, and that shellfish was not scarce. So he found some salt, and so William and his wife told him to go back and get that salt. He went and soon found the salt left by the sea on the rocks, which the sun had made quite dry. They had some sand with it, but my fine wife soon cured that. She had been to the fresh stream with a large jug. From this, I saw her pour some on the salt, strain it through the cloth, and let it drip in the cup, so that all sand was left on the cloth. So he went and he found some salt which was left by the sea on the rocks, and what happened? It got evaporated, and the sun had made it dry. So soon William's wife Elizabeth, what she did, she took some water, she evaporated it, and she got some salt from it. When the soup was made hot, we had each a taste and said that it was good. Be not in a good haste, said my wife. Haste means hurry. We must wait for Fritz, but if he were here, I do. So the wife asked them to wait for Fritz so that he can come back and he can also taste it. Now see how we take our soup. We have no plates, no spoons. So they asked that how will they take the soup because they don't have any plates or spoon. If we had but some large nuts, said Ernest, we might cut them in half and they would make some good bowls. So if they had but some large nuts and they decided that they will cut and it will make a good bowls. Quite true, said, but there are none around there and they didn't find any nuts so that they can cut and make it a bowl. Now I have it, said Ernest. Let's use the shell I saw on the shore. So they used the shells which Ernest saw on the shore and they used it as a cup. Off ran Jack to the shore with Ernest at his heel, and back they both came with a large and small shells for us all. So back to the shore Ernest went and he brought some shell. Just then Fritz came in carrying a pig that he had killed. So Ernest went to the shore and brought a shell for them, and Fritz also came back carrying a pig with him, and they all welcomed him and sat down to take their soup with the shell spoons. Okay, now you will do the exercises which is given in the book, and tomorrow we'll discuss the answers. Thank you and have a nice day.